What's up YouTube? Today we're going to be going over an easy do-it-yourself KinesioTape technique to help decrease your knee pain in seconds. And if you stay to the end of the video today, I'm going to be giving out a top secret hint on how to take off this tape without pain, even with hairy legs. The taping technique we're about to go over is going to give your knee support, assist in knee extension, and aid in that patellar tracking, as well as the overall mechanics of the knee while you're performing functional activities. And the most important thing is it's going to decrease your pain. Now, if this is your first time using KinesioTape, I'm just going to go over a couple of the general concepts behind it. The biggest thing between this and a bunch of other different athletic tape is that this tape allows for a stretch, so it has a little bit of recoil and lifts the skin a little bit. This tape can last in the skin for about a week, and if you don't have KinesioTape at home, I link some of my favorite products for this technique in the description down below. What you'll need for this technique is a pair of scissors and some KinesioTape. Go ahead and take those KinesioTape and scissors, and we're going to cut 3 different pieces of tape. The first piece is going to be around 3 inches. The next 2 pieces are going to be about 8 inches. Now that we have all of our pieces cut, we're going to round our edges to make sure that the tape stays on well and that the edges don't start to peel. Take the 3-inch strip that we just cut, and we're going to rip that right down the middle. On the middle of this, we're going to want to stretch to about 50%. On the sides, we're not going to have any stretch. We're going to put that about an inch or so below the kneecap. The leg should be in a relaxed position while you're putting this piece of tape on, and then slowly rub the tape to increase the adhesion. Take one of your 8-inch pieces of tape and rip off a small section of paper on one end. Then stick this piece of tape about 1.5 inches above your kneecap, closer toward the inside of your body. Taking the middle section of this piece of tape and stretching it about 25 to 35%, and we're going to wrap this around the inside of your kneecap. We're going to do this to both inside and outside of your kneecap as shown. Now, as promised, here's a top secret hint on how to take this KinesioTape off. The best way to take off the KinesioTape isn't to rip it off in one quick motion. What you're going to want to do is apply pressure with another finger and then slowly pull the tape over top of that finger. Let me know how this taping technique worked for your knee pain in the comments down below. Don't be afraid to ask any questions that you have on this technique. And as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.